Everyone talks about selling products or services online, but in 2026, there's a new frontier. Earning money by turning everyday data into a service. Yes, your spreadsheets, trackers, and insights can become income streams. Data as a service means packaging useful information into a format others can access. Think of a curated database of remote job boards, a spreadsheet of trending TikTok sounds, or a tracker of high-yield savings accounts. These are not massive businesses. They are small, focused datasets people pay for because they save time. In the US, entrepreneurs, creators, and small businesses are drowning in information overload. They don't want to spend hours researching. They want ready-made data. If you can organize and update a niche dataset, you can charge subscription fees on Gumroad, Patreon, or even Notion. Imagine 200 subscribers paying $5 per month for your best remote jobs weekly tracker. That's $1,000 recurring income for maintaining a simple spreadsheet. Step 1. Pick a niche where people crave updated info jobs: finance, content creation, or local deals. Step 2. Collect and organize the data in a clean format. Step 3. Deliver it as a subscription or downloadable product. Bonus tip: automate updates using free tools like Google Sheets plus Zapier, so your dataset stays fresh with minimal effort.